How's it going, guys? Nick from Insetta Boatworks here, and we are standing on our new demo boat. So we just did a weekend full of sea trials on her, and just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of the boat for those who couldn't attend. Starting up at the bow, we've got our big drum windlass, 650 feet of capacity right here, and it is reinforced with a stainless backing plate. Under this lounger, we got a nice insulated box. And we've got obviously our massive coffin box here. Right now she's loaded up with storage, but you've got high density foam in here that'll keep ice for quite some time. Good for fish, storage, whatever you'd like to. Right here we've got another storage hatch. This is just for regular storage. We've also got your macerator pump for your fish box that's right behind you. Insulated and macerated fish box. Oh. At the helm we've got 3 wide seating. We've got dual 19-inch Simrads on this boat. Simrad autopilot, Roswell audio sound system. We've also got some Roswell shocks under the chairs here as well. And some custom paracord wrapped grab rails as well. Like all of our boats, you've got tons of storage all around. This is document storage, your fire extinguisher. On that side, you've got a trash can. On this side, you've got more tackle storage. Back here, you've got your classic seat, insulated cooler, as well as your tackle rigging station. Insulated cooler can also be pumped to be a live well as well, if these two 40-gallon wells aren't big enough for you. These wells are kept perfect with the Best Marine pump box right there. This particular boat has 2 transducers on it, one high, one low frequency. You got your removable walk-through area and 300 Mercury Verados on this boat. And one last thing to show you, come around here. Inside here, we've got electric flush head, as well as all of our electronics, temperature regulated and ventilated like all of our boats. Easy access to all of your electronics, extremely organized and easy to maintain. And that's it.